Hello English learners, I'm so happy you're here. Learning a new language can feel big, but it's also exciting. We're going to learn English together. English is like a fun puzzle. We use words to make sentences and sentences to share ideas. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first, every language takes time. The important thing is to start. Are you ready? Let's go. English is spoken in many places. It helps us talk to people from different countries. Knowing English opens doors. You can travel more easily. You can watch movies and read books in English. Learning English can even help you get a new job. Start with simple words. Learn greetings like hello and thank you. Listen to English songs. Music is a fun way to learn new words. Watch English cartoons. They use easy language and are fun to watch. Practice speaking every day. Talk to yourself, your friends, or your pet. Section 4. Common mistakes and how to fix them. Many learners mix up he and she. Remember, he is for boys and she is for girls. Another common mistake is the verb to be. Remember, I am, you are, he/she/it is. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. The important thing is to keep practicing. Section 5. Your English Toolkit. Here are some great tools to help you learn. Dictionaries help you find the meaning of new words. Apps like Duolingo and Babbel are fun ways to learn on your phone. Many YouTube channels teach English like Rachel's English. Remember, learning English is a journey. Be patient, have fun, and celebrate your progress. You can do it!